Hello everyone and welcome to the last in our three-part Jordanian photography adventure where we took a trip all the way from the Wadi Rum back up to Amman, and that's it, we are in Amman right now. I've just got to the hotel, and if you haven't seen previous videos I recommend you checking them out because you see all sorts of different shots and different scenery, from the deep desert to Petra, one of the 7 wonders of the world, and it's been an absolute incredible journey. I've photographed landscapes, Bedouin people, all of these things, and it's been an amazing country to shoot in. I'm privileged to be in a position that I am that allows me to do this, so thank you all for your support. But this is the last video in this little mini series, if you will, and we are in the capital city of Jordan, Amman, and we're going to be doing a few things while we're here. We're here for 2 nights, and we're also going to be going out to Jerash and Mount Nebo, which is quite close to the city, so we can explore a little bit, take some photos, and really enjoy our time here. So enjoy this video. I'll see you in the morning where we start this trip properly, because sun's down, I need some rest because we've come from the Dead Sea. But nevertheless, enjoy the video. It's all going to kick off tomorrow, and I'm looking forward to it. Okay, here we are, out and about, and yeah, I'm in a courtyard to a church at the minute, and it actually looks pretty cool. The scene I'm going for is just over there. See the doorway on the right hand side, people walking through it? They get some backlight to them, and it looks quite nice, and then you've got the Jordanian flag just above it. It does look pretty good when people walk through. So people walk through and they get silhouetted as they go through the door, which is pretty nice. But we've got pretty much a full day of walking around Amman and Madaba, which is where we are now. It should be a pretty good day for photography. Fingers crossed. So this is a scene in of itself. Just the nice emptiness of it, the arrow pointing towards the light as well. Be nice if someone walked in it though. Probably not going to happen, because like I said, it's under construction. There was people in the end. Didn't take too long to wait either. Someone just going into the ticket office. So just arrived at Mount Nebo. It's pretty high, it's like 1,200 meters up, and you can see for miles around you. And I always say I love a viewpoint, and there's nice casting shadows with the trees and stuff. We'll see what's around. After this, head to a baptism site that's part of this little route that we found, and then back to central Amman. Do a little walk around because the weather's lovely, which means shadow and shape is going to be very much there, so that's good. So we made it to the baptism site, and just while we're waiting to get on a shuttle bus to get to the actual area, just photographing the surroundings, and this guy leaning is pretty cool. Silhouetted. Should be pretty nice. Just create a little subframe here as well. It might be something, but it's lovely weather. Beaming hot as usual. But yeah, should be some pictures here. It's the baptism site of Jesus Christ. Wow. Hopefully, though, buildings like this, just very plain, very, you know, one colour, can create some nice shape and lines and stuff. And there should be some stuff here to take photos of. And then we'll be back in Amman after. So it's been a nice chill morning so far, but some definite pictures on the route as well, which is good. So I'm still in Jordan. Flags above us. Just over the other side of the river, Israel, or the West Bank, as the Jordanians like to call it. It's amazing how close you are. I was just speaking to the guy here, and on average 300,000 people come to this site. But ever since the conflict, it's now down to less than 50,000 a year. Tourism needs to come back to Jordan. I've said it throughout this little series, and it's true. It's such a shame. So here we are in Amman. What a view. It's a beautiful city. Very hilly. I didn't realise it was going to be as hilly as it is. But we're in the Amman Citadel at the minute, which is quite vast, as you can see in the background. Down below us is the Roman amphitheater as well. Quite interesting. We're going to see all these sites, see what we can take photos of, and walk the streets as well. It's pretty much all we're going to do for the rest of the day. It's 36 degrees today, in March. It's so hot, but hey ho, it's what it is. Let's go get some photos. Bit of negative space with the skyline there. Some pillars for scale against the people that are walking up and down. That's the shot anyway. I might get closer. So what's cool about this area is you've got the archways and tons of different, what were doorways, and all this casting light, shadow. It's quite a harsh shadow here, light pool in the distance. It's basically everywhere you go, little patches of light that you can silhouette someone in and just capture them in. So if someone was walking here, in the light against the backdrop would look quite nice, especially if they were in darker clothing. Just over there in the distance you can see off into the actual city of Amman, but there's two people on the roof sorting out something. I'm wondering if I can get them as they walk into the light. It's pretty far away, but maybe. So I don't know if that picture of those people on the rooftop worked, but this might. There's a bunch of pigeons just flying around. And the buildings behind them are mainly in shadow, but the pigeons are really hitting the light well. So, as they fly through, it creates a lovely little image. Yes, I admit I would want them to be a little closer, but they're doing some pretty cool flying. Someone must own them, because they're circling the same place. It's pretty cool. So over there is our next stop. That is the Roman amphitheater. And yeah, pretty good. We just got to walk down a bunch of stairs to get there. Been taking some photos through the streets, capturing the light as I said I would. The Citadel was good as well, so it's a nice little area. They're all relatively close, sort of in a triangle sort of fashion. And yeah, just tons of different shapes with the light and the stairs and stuff like that. It captures some pretty fun images. But let's see what we can get at the actual amphitheater as well. It's just a hell of a lot of stairs. It's a very hilly city. So I'm now walking up Rainbow Street, one of the tourist streets in Amman. It's basically a vertical incline. It's just started though, so it might flatten out. But there's some lovely shapes and light coming through. Have a look at this. Beautiful light. Really good capturing subjects here. The city has a lovely golden hour glow to it now. And if you look over there, there is the Citadel where we were earlier today. It's a beautiful, beautiful little viewpoint here, just off of Rainbow Street. It's about an hour before iftar, and then it should start to get more lively. I don't know how much longer I'm going to be out. I've been out in the sun all day. But yeah, I'm going to continue walking, just see what there is to be seen. And who knows, there might be more pictures that I can grab. If not though, I think I've got some good ones. I've certainly got some good ones on this entire trip, but I think I've got some decent ones today as well, so that's good. It's a very photogenic city when it looks like this, that's for sure. It's very steep looking down. So when you come to places like this, you just realise how flat London actually is. But the shot process is this staircase basically just leads to quite a main road down there. There's quite a lot of cars passing. I'm hoping a person will walk through the scene, hopefully against that truck with the white background. And if I can get them at the end, that's quite a good shot, I think. It's got a lot of leading lines to it. It's got a lot of texture. Could be quite interesting. Remember those birds we kept seeing flying around at the top of the Citadel? found where they live. Right there. So this is the King Abdullah Mosque. An absolutely beautiful building, but it's right before sunset prayer, so I don't think we're actually going to get to go in right now. We might have to come back after. But it looks good just from the outside, let alone anything else. Very impressive building. So that's going to do it for this video, I think. Thank you so much for watching. This ends our little journey through Jordan. It's been an adventure, to say the least. Don't know if you can hear it, but the call to prayer is happening. The last one for the evening. It's, yeah. I've got used to hearing that. It's going to be weird going back and not waking up to it very early and seeing the streets come to life after iftar, but it's been fun. I've really enjoyed my time, and I'm definitely going to be coming back. And I think you guys should too. If this video or any of the three have made you consider Jordan as a destination to take photos, let me know. And let me know what your favourite photo from this trip has been in the comments as well. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for all your support. I'll see you next week for another video. Bye bye.